Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular kitchen appliances, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer. We'll be evaluating these products across different categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we jump in, please remember to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. When it comes to price, the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer comes out on top with a price of $59, while the Instant Pot Vortex Plus is priced at $159. Although the Dash Air Fryer is more affordable, both products offer great value for their respective price points. In terms of functionality, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus offers an impressive 6-in-1 functionality. You can air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. On the other hand, the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer is more straightforward with its air frying capabilities. Depending on your needs, the versatility of the Instant Pot Vortex Plus might be a deciding factor. Both appliances utilize innovative technology to achieve excellent results. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus incorporates even crisp technology, which drives airflow top-down for a golden finish and crispy texture. The Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer uses air crisp technology to reduce added fat by 70–80% without sacrificing flavor. Both technologies offer efficient cooking methods for healthier meals. When it comes to ease of use, both appliances have their advantages. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus offers customizable one-touch smart programs for different recipes, making meal preparation a breeze. On the other hand, the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer is designed for quick and easy operation with its simple temperature and timer settings. Both appliances provide a user-friendly experience. Cleaning up after cooking is always important, and both appliances make it easier. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus comes with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, while the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer also features easy clean components. You can spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying your delicious meals. In terms of design, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus combines a compact size with stylish stainless steel accents, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer, on the other hand, features a sleek design and trendy color options that can accent any kitchen space. Both appliances offer a modern look while taking up minimal counter space. And there you have it. We've compared the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer across various categories. Remember, the choice between these two appliances ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.